Welcome to my channel, Brown Boss JA Tours. Now today I'll provide you with an overview of the construction of the Pinnacle here in Montego Bay, Jamaica, as seen right now on the map on your screen. So this will be located at Bogue Road, which is at the Redding Peninsula. And a peninsula is a piece of land almost surrounded by water or projecting out into a body of water. So I'll give you some information here as gathered from the pinnaclejamaica.com website. This was back on January 21st, 2024, amidst a gathering of dignitaries and industrial leaders. Prime Minister Andrew Holness officially launched the groundbreaking ceremony for the Pinnacle, a transformative US $350 million luxury residential development poised to elevate the Caribbean living experience. This ambitious project, envisioned by the visionary architect Isiaa Madden, introduces 423 residences and 15 exclusive villas, marking a pivotal moment for Jamaica's economic trajectory and tourism appeal. Madden was selected to be the chief architect of this project that is transforming both Montego Bay's skyline and the wider real estate sector in Jamaica. She began working on the design in late 2021, and research included trips to the United States and also China. In a recent interview back in June 2024 by Jamaica's Observer Design, Building and Construction, she stated that there are high-rises all over the world, just an hour away by flight there in South Florida. In layman terms, the piles that go down into the ground can be considered the roots of the building, like how a tree has roots and it goes down into the ground to stabilize the tree. It's the same concept. The prefabricated piles from China will be hammered down into the ground by 180 feet to help stabilize the building. The higher the building, the deeper the piles. It also depends on the soil conditions below. Before I designed the project, there is a lot of different research that is done, and the soil test by an engineer is one of them for us to decipher what is necessary to stabilize the building and to mitigate against structural damage or acts of God such as earthquakes and hurricanes. We're at a stage now in construction where technology has far advanced the process of piling. The piles that we are using out there now are designed by Chinese engineers in China who are far advanced in building high-rises. It's like a second nature to them. To my clients, LCH Developments, it's nothing. It's a regular building. End quote. As stated on the sign at the gate when I get there shortly, the prices for the one-bedroom apartments will start at US $430,000. So you can imagine what the other prices will be. This landmark development not only elevates Jamaica's global standing but also positions the Pinnacle as a sought-after destination, attracting Jamaican diaspora and visitors while creating a vibrant new community on the global stage. As of August 2023, the Pinnacle has government approvals from the Municipal Corporation of St. James, the Native Environmental Planning Authority, the Civil Aviation Authority, and the National Works Agency. The Pinnacle broke ground back in January 2024, and a phase construction schedule for the development handovers to commence in early 2027, which is phase 1, where the first 2 towers will be completed, with a total development planned completion in 2029. As depicted on the screen right now, you'll see the master plan for the Pinnacle project, where you can see the 4 towers, the Phoenix, Hummingbird, Canary, Swallowtail, also the villas and other features of this project. For this 17.5-acre development, each tower will be 28 stories and offering breathtaking ocean, lagoon, and mountain vistas. The Pinnacle promises an exquisite living experience. Residents can choose from diverse layouts, including 1 or 2 or 3 bedroom apartments, and also 4 and 5 bedroom penthouses, while 15 private villas providing an additional layer of exclusivity and personalized living. As of August 27, 2024, it was reported that despite heavy rains, the building works at the Pinnacle are continuing to progress rapidly and are on schedule. The team are delighted that the commercial and shopping center is now up to the 3rd floor, with the roof framework largely completed on both the east and west buildings. So as you can see right now, an example shown on your screen of the progress of the shopping center and commercial building. Meanwhile, the piling foundations and earthwork excavations for the first of the 4 residential and hospitality towers are complete. And over 50% of the piling for the first car park have also been installed. So this is the current situation right now at the Pinnacle. The Pinnacle is a unique collection of homes overlooking the lagoon and hills that surround Montego Bay. Elegant, sophisticated, and curated carefully for quiet and exquisite life. Imagine a vibrant sanctuary of 4 beautifully designed towers, villas, and the Mangrove Club itself. The Mangrove Club is sitting at the apex of the Pinnacle Peninsula, the contemporary and sophisticated heart of the community. It has a fine and beautifully designed restaurant, a rooftop bar, a brasserie with spectacular views across the lagoon and along the coast to Round Hill, as well as a quiet lounge and separate games room. The clubhouse is a fitness facility with a dedicated yoga, pilates, and spinning area and provides access to an adjoining and secluded spa nestled amongst the mangroves with a number of peaceful standalone treatment rooms. Residents will also be able to book the tennis and paddle courts and multi-purpose sports areas through the club, as well as organize water connections to the local beaches, hotels, and restaurants, or alert them on the arrival of friends coming by boat. Each of the towers will be linked to an elevated and landscape pool deck with a variety of cabanas and recliners, children's pool and barbecue areas, all overlooking the lagoon and surrounding hills. At first floor level, there is a fully equipped state-of-the-art gym with exercise or class areas alongside extensive lounges, meeting areas, and entertainment suites able to be booked for private functions. So now I'm on the outside trying to give you guys a better view of the commercial and shopping center. As you can see there in the distance, let me just zoom in a bit. So there you go, you can see it, the level of progress right now on this section of the Pinnacle. Yes guys, it would be so helpful if I had a drone so I could give you some aerial views. Alright, but I try my best to give you an overview of the actual project so that you can get more information on this here in Montego Bay. Alright, I'll put the link in the description. You can definitely make your donations as it relates to helping me to buy a drone. As you know, drones aren't cheap. But yes guys, you can check that out if my lovely subscribers will help me with purchasing a new drone. Alright, if I get a drone, I'll be unstoppable. Yes people, let me know what you think about this project so far, how it's progressing. I would definitely love to hear your feedback. Okay guys, let's continue. Now, a special service here at the Pinnacle will involve a 5-star concierge service for each tower. So this is definitely luxury at its finest. So to continue, an estimated 400 jobs will be created during the construction phase, providing a significant boost to local communities. Beyond its economic impact, the Pinnacle aims to attract discerning global travelers, unparalleled luxury in the Caribbean. The Pinnacle embodies our vision for a sophisticated Jamaican future, shared Yang Sen Lee, CEO of LCH Developments. We envision a community that fosters economic growth and opportunities for our people while catering to a discerning lifestyle, seamlessly blending Jamaican heritage with cosmopolitan flair. Gazing across the lagoon, residents can watch a huge variety of bird life, often spotted flying across the water, and exploring the mangroves are herons, sandpipers, egrets, and many more to nest each evening on the bird island directly opposite the Pinnacle. Below the water can be found grouper, mutton snapper, red and yellow-tailed snapper, amongst many other exquisite tropical species, many enjoying the protected seagrass and reefs that puncture the reserve. Demonstrating unwavering commitment to environmental stewardship, the Pinnacle proactively integrates rainwater harvesting and solar energy utilization into its comprehensive environmental leadership strategy. The inclusion of smart grid technology and eco-friendly parking garages not only contributes to energy efficiency, but also fosters a healthier environment. This dedication to sustainable park practices that go beyond compliance significantly amplifies its appeal to environmentally conscious investors and residents. So yes, my people, let me know what you think about this entire project. And I have been sharing some computer generated models right now. Let me know what you think about it as well in the comment section. Just make it interactive so we can have a discussion about this project.